percentage increase and decrease. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What is percentage change? How do you calculate it? 2. How to express a percentage increase or decrease. 3. What is the formula of percentage increase or decrease calculation? 4. How do you find the original value after a percentage change? 5. What is percentage distribution? Why do we use it? 6. What is the rule governing the percentage distribution in a data set? Introduction. So far, we have discussed percentages and their analog methods of expressing numbers, fractions and decimals. Now, we will explain in more detail how to deal with percentage changes, a very important and useful concept that has many practical applications, especially in finance and banking. Pay increases, tax cuts, and changes in interest rates all represent percentage changes. This tutorial is in line with the general opinion of scientists who support the idea that it is not very important to know the actual value of a quantity, rather, it is the way the quantity changes that really matters. That is all for introduction to percentage increase and decrease. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 5.3.1, percentage change. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.